YouTube, what is going on? It is your boy Sila. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube shorts and TikToks on CapCut. CapCut is a free editing software. There is a mobile version and a PC version. In this video, however, I'll be showing you how to edit on PC. Don't worry, I'll be running through everything step by step with you. If this video is helpful to you in any way, shape, or form, don't forget to leave a like. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll be sure to help you all out the best I can. If you're new, be sure to drop a sub. It really helps out the channel, and it's free, just like this app. CapCut.com. As you see here, you can sign up for free, make an account. There's two options here. You can edit videos online or download for Windows. I suggest downloading for Windows. I already have it set up, so just follow the steps, open the file. Now, once you have it all downloaded and you have the program opened up, it'll look something like this. Obviously, you can do all kinds of stuff on here, and a lot of it is for free. Obviously, import your clip. It'll drop it into this section right here. This here is your timeline. You can zoom in and out when you have a file down there. That's what I like to do. They drop it down in the timeline, right? As soon as I import my file, I like to put on a animation. I always go with the swing right animation. I just like the way it looks. What I like to pair with that is if you go over to the audio section here, you type in swish, this swish underscore whoosh sound effect. This is your video track and your audio that comes with the clip, obviously. It's going to be showing you the basics here, guys, for this video. Let me know if you want in-depth whole shebang when it comes to extracting different audio sources from your clips if you record more than one track. If you guys are interested in a video like that, I'll definitely make one for you. We got the animation on there and the sound effect, so we're gonna play it. I like to bring it down around negative 11.6 to be precise. What the fuck is going on? Oh my game crashes, and the next game I get into is glitched. Halo, other game. Head Showdown. Yeah, I was not having a good time the other night on Call of Duty. Who really does anymore? Obviously, right now this is formatted for YouTube or 16:9. What we want to do for your shorts and TikToks is flip it. Have it 9:16. To do that, we're gonna click on our video. We're gonna go up here to this little where it says 16:9 ratio or customize, whatever it says for you here. This box right here in the middle. Make sure your clip is selected when you do this though. Go down to 9:16, click on that. There we are. Now you see how it's not filling the whole frame here? What I like to do is I like to select it, keep it selected, and I like to click and hold, drag it out until I see a blue line, either the top or the bottom up here like that, or I scale it up to 316% just to make sure it is full. I'm going to show you something a little advanced here for you beginners. If you just want to have like the gameplay, you don't have to pay attention to this part, but for those of you that have the face cam, as you can tell if I drag it here, see how my face cam's at the top right, but when it's centered here, obviously you cannot see it. What we're going to have to do is select the video track, right click, press copy. And then what I like to do is go to the start, make sure it's at the very start, and then I click paste. On the first or second track, you're going to want to mute one of them. So I'll mute the second track here. That way the audio is not doubled. I'm going to use this top track as my webcam. I'll right click, go to edit, and then go down to crop ratio. We're going to drag this in. Drag it. You guys probably don't worry about getting it perfect your first time. A lot of trial and error with this kind of stuff, but we're going to drag it in. We just crop into the camera, and then we're going to hit confirm. Oh, Jesus. I'm so hot. So now we have that. Oh, but my beautiful, gorgeous face is taking up the entire frame. What we're going to do about that is we're going to move it over a little bit. I'm just going to, for the sake of what I'm trying to show you here, I'm just going to drag it down. Now this is going to be different for everyone because I don't have, everyone's face cam size is probably different. What I like to do is just size it about so. If you guys want to know how I'm deleting or using the split tool, a shortcut would be pressing B, or you could come up here to this split tool, click on that, make sure the header is where you want to split it. What I like to do is hit B, and then I'll click on it there. See how it's sliced there? Delete that, delete that. Now for the text. Click on text, add text, click on default. There's all kinds of fonts you can pick from here. You can select the color. Once you find the font and color. You can save a preset. I use this font called Bangers. I just like the way it looks. I've been using it for quite a while. Now for shorts and TikToks, this is all going to be the same. I like to use font size 30. I have a whole bunch of different color presets here. For me, I like to use white text with a black background for everything that I'm saying, and then I'll have different color fonts for, like, say teammates, for example, will be blue or green, and then enemies red, whatever. If you go down here, scroll down here, position is at 0. This is very important because if you upload a short to YouTube, if you have the text say down here or too low, the short's description and all that info down in that area will kind of block the text. -700. It doesn't get blocked by any of that stuff down there. Also, for the thickness, I like to use, I have the strokes. I have strokes selected, and I go for 40 on the thickness. Scroll down some more. In the text section, select shadow. I have mine at 31%. Blurriness 0, distance 8, and then angle -45. Up here, you can zoom in on the timeline. Zoom in, zoom out. I like to get right up, zoom pretty much in as far as I can go. Obviously, these are the sound waves, whatever you want to call them, peaks or whatever. Do you like? We're gonna zoom it out, crop it into that point right there. Like the text, double click. Do you like? Now for my teammate, I'm gonna use that shade of green. It's what I like to use. Now you see how it's just, it just kind of appears, then goes away. I like to go over to the animation tab here for the text. I go to the in. I like to use this one right here. It's called bounce in. It's got like a little bounce into it. For each phrase, we're gonna click on the first phrase of text here, highlight that, and then I'm gonna go to copy. I'm gonna go where the next phrase starts, and then I'm gonna paste. Scump. So he says, do you like scump? Go up there. Scump. You like scump? Once it's all done here, we'll go up to export, obviously. The resolution I like to use is 1440p. I go to customize for my bitrate, but you can hit higher, recommended. Really depends on your internet and your hardware. I use H.264 MP4 60 FPS. And then we click export, and there it is, guys. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. As always, it's been your boy Sila. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Look, I come from a city, you hear signs when we sleep. Heaven sent, hands down, vibes so unique. They ain't play their part, so my part is play for keeps. Wide-eyed kid, but I never saw the ease. Ooh.